The American researcher David Tilman has received the BBVA Foundation Frontiers of Knowledge Award in the Ecology and Conservation Biology category. His achievement to scientifically substantiate the value of biodiversity. With his studies, he has shown that ecosystems with a greater number of species are more productive, more resilient to invasions by alien species, and more stable in the face of perturbations such as drought.
What we have learned in the last 2 decades is that species have trade-offs. They're good at one thing and bad at something else. Because of these trade-offs, when an ecosystem has more species, that ecosystem have species in it which can do different jobs well. So a more diverse system has more species doing more things well.
Tilman is a professor at the University of Minnesota since 1992 and runs the Cedar Creek Reservoir, a large research station of 2,800 hectares where he has conducted experiments that answer one of the biggest questions that exist in ecology since Darwin. How can so many species coexist in an ecosystem? Professor Tilman's work has enabled us to understand that coexistence in plant communities as a result of a trade-off between different abilities. For example, some plants are more competitive than others, but have less dispersal ability. Tilman is currently working on ways to boost agricultural productivity without simultaneously increasing its environmental impact, something that can be used to help less productive countries to improve agricultural yields, increasing productivity and reducing pollution.
If we do that, following what we've done in the past, we would be destroying much of the remaining ecosystems of the world. Therefore, if we want to have a sustainable environment on the world, we have to first and foremost find a way to use lands to their greatest productivity, but also sustainably to grow food. Food is the biggest single thing we do to the environment.
His work has also addressed the management of natural resources of the planet, such as the production of biofuels. Tilman has shown that this type of fuel isn't the solution to the problem of greenhouse gas emissions. He says that there are very few ways to make a biofuel that is environmentally beneficial.